Are your emails and files feeling disorganized or scattered? Are you ready to declutter your business files and emails? You can organize them, but beware, do not just delete them. Watch this video to learn why. If you find it frustrating and overwhelming to manage your business files and emails, before you click delete to just make the mess go away, you need to know one simple rule for protecting your business. Archive, do not delete. Today, I'll show you exactly why this one rule is the key to keeping your business safe. Hi, I'm Amy Novick, professional organizer and Google certified trainer. I empower business owners with Google solutions. Digital clutter is frustrating and can feel like a huge mess. Together, we can create a solid business foundation that will save you clicks and time. If you're feeling stressed by your overfull inbox, click below to get my Gmail declutter SOP and watch the rest of this video for more important details. Drop an emoji in the comments below to show me how you're feeling about your inbox and your Google Drive right now. Your business emails and files are not like your personal ones. As a business owner, you need to file taxes, and there's always a small possibility that you might get sued by an employee, vendor, or client. IRS laws say that you need to keep your financial records for at least 7 years. And to protect yourself if you're ever sued by an employee, client, or vendor, you should keep your files and communications with those folks for possibly up to 10 years. Therefore, my 2 rules of thumb are: keep all business files in one Google Workspace to make things easier to find, and when in doubt, archive, do not delete. Emails. When you're overwhelmed with the number of emails in your inbox, learn to archive them, do not delete them. Check out my other video about the difference between archive versus trash. Anything business related should be archived or moved out of your inbox, but saved, not deleted. The only exception to that is junk mail and promotional emails, which can be deleted. This is why I recommend enabling Gmail categories, which pull out the promotions separate from person-to-person emails. See my other video about Gmail categories as well. Files. Hopefully you have a manageable and easily maintained drive and folder structure in your Google Drive. If not, it's time to connect with me to set it up. When you're overwhelmed with the number of files in your Google Drive, instead of deleting everything under the sun, move the extra files to a dated archive folder so it's out of your sight and you don't delete something you might actually need in the future. When it comes time to finding emails and files, there are a few things to consider. Some clients come to me with a variety of separate email addresses, all ending in @gmail.com, like jennymybusiness@gmail.com, infomybusiness@gmail.com, receiptsmybusiness@gmail.com, clientsmybusiness@gmail.com. If you had to find all emails related to one topic or client, but they were spread across all of these email accounts, they would be hard to collect, collate, and hand over to the IRS or a lawyer. Instead, if the IRS audits you or you are sued, it will be much easier for you to find and collect all the necessary info if it's all in one Google Workspace. Because in the Google Workspace, you have an admin panel where you can use the audit and investigation tool to find what you need much faster. So to review, please remember the 3 main points. Number 1, using a Google Workspace instead of individual Gmail accounts allows you to find any required info faster for either an IRS audit or a lawyer if you get sued. Number 2, you should keep all tax-related files and emails for a minimum of 7 years. And number 3, you should keep all client, vendor, and employee information and communication for 7 to 10 years, depending on the state you're in. I hope these tips give you a little more clarity about when to delete and when to archive your emails and files. If you're wondering whether your current file system is safe or an absolute spaghetti mess, take my free, simple self-audit quiz linked below. Stop fighting with your files and start feeling empowered. When in doubt, archive, do not delete. Hit subscribe for more information like this, and I'll see you in the next video. I look forward to helping you succeed.